Make $200 per day re-uploading videos affiliate marketing method. Let's go. Step 1, create a YouTube account. Step 2, promote the highest converting make money online offer called the Money Accelerator and earn over $50 per commission. There's different pricing tiers that people pay. And just before making this video, an affiliate just got half of a sale of like $400 for a pricing tier. And you guys can do the exact same. He's not like doing anything crazy, just following some of the few trainings I have so far just about how to promote this offer. And he's already got more sales than that. And I have a lot more affiliates than just him. There's like many affiliates promoting this top offer. There's like no competition because this offer appeals to basically everyone who wants to make more money, which is basically everybody. I also recommend you get inside the Money Accelerator so you can have the benefits of the Money Accelerator and gain all the training inside and all the bonuses inside as well when you're promoting the offer itself. Here's an example right here of one of the affiliates who's doing what I say here. He's called Savage CPA. He's just re-uploading videos of mine and then he's linking to the Money Accelerator and he's getting conversions, getting sales. He's repurposing the content the best he can. He's making different thumbnails. He's editing the videos differently and he's having a pretty good success doing this. And I mean, there's so many different methods you guys can do. He's just doing the method of re-uploading my videos and he's getting sales. Okay. You don't have to do that same method. There's so many methods you could do to promote the Money Accelerator successfully. Step 3 is go on YouTube, type in affiliate marketing, go to filter, and then go to Creative Commons, and basically all these videos you can re-upload. Okay, you can even see some of my videos here that you can re-upload and download and re-upload. Look at all these videos, try to download the best videos you can find, and basically you have the rights to re-upload them. I recommend download the best ones you can find, then make new thumbnails and try to edit the videos even better. And then you just link to the Money Accelerator. Try to, even when you edit the videos, put a call to action of your own, a pop-up or something, just saying, go check out the Money Accelerator if you want to make money online. And it's going to get you guys sales. And you have endless access to tons of videos here you can leverage in affiliate marketing. And you can type in tons of other keywords like make money online. And then you press filter right here, go to Creative Commons. You're going to see a bunch of videos here. You can basically re-upload and get sales for the Money Accelerator and any other affiliate offers you want to promote. Then I recommend go to YouTube, type in YouTube downloader, and you can copy and paste a YouTube link. You can go ahead and download these videos and you can try and make like really high click-through rate thumbnails for your videos so you can get a lot more views and try to edit the videos to be super good. Now, step 4 is if you go ahead and you download a bunch of videos and then you like combine their best parts together and make like a compilation super great video that's like over 20 minutes and then you make a super good thumbnail, you are going to crush it. And if you do this every day, I'm not kidding when I say you will get like multiple sales, more than top affiliates, and eventually super big passive income from doing it. Just combine a bunch of the best content together that you find that's Creative Commons here. You can just go ahead and combine it to make big videos that are super valuable. And then inside the videos, you also edit in call to action promoting the Money Accelerator. And I'm telling you right now, you will get so many sales, it's not even funny. So this is a powerful next step you can do. Don't just go ahead and download videos and then re-upload them. Try to combine videos and the best parts to make super epic content. I'm not kidding when I say that is super powerful. Now, step 5 is create super high click-through rate thumbnails. Now, how do you create super high click-through rate thumbnails? You can go and research on YouTube how to do it and everything, but usually like really big faces from forehead all the way to chin does really, really well for high click-through rate. Putting people that are famous or likable inside your video so you can put them in your thumbnail can be really effective as well. Try to have really big text, especially for the make money online niche and affiliate marketing niche. You want to have really big text and you want to go ahead and research what are the top videos doing and what do their thumbnails look like, and you can go ahead and model after their thumbnails. Also, try to have complementary colors like green and red, or orange and blue, or yellow and purple. And there's a bunch of complementary colors you can do. It just makes your thumbnails stand out. Try not to have too much clutter in your thumbnails where it's too crazy. Try to have a solid background or like a gradient background, kind of like this. If I were to edit this thumbnail right here, for example, I'd make the text way bigger and I'd even zoom in this even more, and I wouldn't care about having a thumb in there. And then I'd obviously have the black backgrounds fine, and it would just look way better. For this thumbnail right here, this is good. I would for sure get rid of the red play button because it doesn't really matter as much, and I'd make the text way bigger, and then I'd kind of make this way bigger, and I wouldn't care if it's getting cut off a ton, and it just stands out way more. And then one of the most important things for getting a high click-through rate is the video idea itself. So your title and your thumbnail, what the whole video is about, this matters greatly. And so try to think of unique video ideas that really, really like stand out to people, that people just have no choice but to want to watch it. Now, step 6 is try to schedule out your videos to have at least one new video per day. But if you're just jump starting your YouTube channel and just re-uploading videos to get started, then pump out as many videos as you can per day, essentially. But when you're making the quality compilation videos of the best stuff from different videos and you're putting it all together, make those videos be one video a day. And then go ahead and scale everything you're doing by making quality content that then clicks over to the Money Accelerator and gets you sales. It's all about quality over quantity at some point. You've got to make good videos that really get a high watch time and audience retention and high click-through rate and a high view to subscriber ratio and high view to like ratio. All this matters. Now, another quick pro tip is you can re-upload videos that you find that are Creative Commons or even not Creative Commons, which also, just so you know, could be pretty risky, but you can re-upload videos to Rumble. And Rumble is like a new big platform, and you can find other similar platforms to YouTube and Rumble that you could just upload videos where there's like no competition for, and you can get in front of a lot more people too for the Make Money Online niche and promoting the Money Accelerator and promoting other offers too and doing affiliate marketing too. I know a lot of you guys are going to get results with this step-by-step advice I'm giving, so this is really, really lit. Now, step 8 is the call to action in your videos for people to go check out the Money Accelerator. Try to record your Money Accelerator. You know, pay for the Money Accelerator, get inside the Money Accelerator. You're going to benefit a ton. You're already getting over like $3,000 worth of leads in different niches. You're getting tons of extra training. You're getting tons of courses. You're getting new stuff every month. You're getting a chance to win free money every single month right here. You're getting exclusive premium support from me. You get over $1 million worth of courses inside. And so when you tell people this, you're like making really good videos and you're telling people to buy the Money Accelerator. You guys are going to get so many sales. And don't forget the fact that it's recurring. Like you literally get money every single month that you have people active inside. And I'm doing my best here every single month to add more and more value every single month to this offer. So you basically have people paying forever for the Money Accelerator and everyone's getting value here. And the goal here is to get everyone big results. I want everyone to be making really good money. Now, step 9, after you've made a bunch of videos, uploaded a bunch of videos and just like kickstarted your growth on YouTube here and getting sales, then you want to focus on quality. So if you combine videos together and you end up getting really high audience retention, really high watch time by making super great videos of the best parts of videos you find, you want to get just super high audience retention like this, a flat graph. You're going to crush it. You're going to get audience spikes where people rewind videos, rewatch parts. This is where it's at. You guys can get freaking videos that get like over 100,000 views if you make really quality content. And if you guys get over 100,000 views per video basically, or even get a video that gets that many and get sales to the Money Accelerator, you could potentially be making like 6 figures a month recurring in the sales that you get. I'm not kidding when I say that, because you know, when you make a great video that gets a lot of views in the Make Money Online niche, it's equivalent to making like serious money. There's almost no other niche in this world that will make you as big money as that. So hopefully you guys are inspired. Hopefully you guys are ready to freaking crush it. Follow this video step by step. You're gonna make money. Let's go.